everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a step-by-step guide on how to make $500 per week. I promise you can do this. This 5-step method is what I've used to make some really good sales. I'm going to share with you the product, the lead capture page that I use, an email follow-up, an example of some bonuses that you can offer, as well as how to drive traffic to this offer for completely free. COVID or no COVID, you probably need some extra money, right? Well, this is a long-term strategy where you can make this kind of money every month. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first thing you're going to do to make this $500 per week is you're going to go to digistore24.com and sign up for a free account. I like this because it is international. Some people can't sign up for ClickBank. You want to select a payment. You're going to go under account and then payout account, and you're going to get paid on the 7th and the 21st of the month. They pay out via PayPal. You can do a US bank transfer, which is what I do, or an international bank transfer. The next thing you're going to do is to pick a high converting product with high commissions. And the one I picked that I've made some really good sales with is Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization. And I own this product. I think it's a great product, and he also has really great Facebook group support. Let me show you what he just posted in here, because he's very active in the Facebook group and he answers people's questions. So people are going to be happy with the product. Therefore, you wouldn't get as many returns, because sometimes people buy products, they don't have the support they need, and then they end up refunding. So he just posted this. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization, this Facebook group. But he said he just added more lessons, and he updated the training to Mastery and Monetization 2.0. And he teaches this secret keyword process that helps your videos to go viral. And you can see the different things that he's added here. The 33 rule and using suggested video loops to go viral. So he's very up to date in the training and also in the support of the Facebook group. Then, rather than sending people directly to the webinar, let me show you first where it is in here in Digistore 24. So if you just go log in and then click on Marketplace, if you scroll down here, you're going to see it right here, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. So the product itself is $997, and you're going to earn 50% of that. So it is a high ticket product, and he does a very good webinar, so it does convert very well. Oh, and speaking of making money online, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. But rather than sending people directly to the link in Digistore 24, you want to make sure that you capture the leads, because otherwise they're just going to Matt. He's going to follow up with them, which is fine. But when people see something, they don't always buy on the first exposure, especially if it's something that costs $997. So you want to be able to capture your own leads and have your own email follow-ups. Let me show you what I did. I created this inside of Kartra, which is what I use for a page builder and autoresponder. And you can do something similar to this, how to make $100 to $300 per day on YouTube without showing your face. And that's what he teaches in the webinar. Is these are faceless YouTube channels and no previous experience required. You just have to have them put their email in. Yes, give me instant access. This is an example of a lead capture page that you might create inside of Kartra, or if you use ClickFunnels or any other page builder, you can do something similar to this. And again, people aren't always going to buy on the first exposure, so you want to develop that know, like, and trust factor with them. Know that this is legitimate, and I'm going to give you some examples of some email follow-ups that I put in right here. This is just an example of my first email follow-up, how to make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. And then I said you requested to receive more information on how to build a successful YouTube business. To learn more, go here. As we continue our journey together, I truly hope to give you as much value as I can in each email you receive. You can be rest assured I won't bombard you with useless emails, and will always keep things transparent with you. In return, I just ask that you keep an open mind and follow my trainings, and most importantly, implement what I teach. So go ahead and get started here. So that, of course, would link to his webinar again. My #1 goal is to help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. I do sincerely hope you know that. And then you can have another link to it, about 3 links I would say in there. This is just an example of an email follow-up that you would do, and I have about 10 of them in here. So once they opt in, they will be directly directed to his webinar, and then they'll get these email follow-ups that go out once a day. Now, if possible, I would say create a bridge page and bonuses, and even if you're brand new, you can do this. A bridge page is a page that is between the opt-in and the offer. And what this does is it just helps people to get to know you and know that you're legitimate. And also I found that bonuses really help with conversions. Let me show you an example. I actually don't have one for Matt's program, but I'm going to show you an example of one that I have for another program that I promote. So I did a video here just telling my story. And you don't have to do a video. You could have your picture here and something about yourself. So I just have steps here. Watch the video above, check out our exclusive bonuses worth thousands, click the link below now to get started. And so this would take them to the webinar. And then I have the bonuses that I have listed out here. And what I have found, especially with a high ticket product like this, $997, that if you do have the bridge page and bonuses, it really helps with conversions, because you're not just some faceless person trying to sell them something. And you think, well, I wouldn't be able to do bonuses. Well, you can. You can outsource these. Just some examples of things that you might do is to say that you'll set up the YouTube channel for them with a custom banner. And you can get that done on Fiverr for maybe $10 to set up the YouTube channel, or actually $5 I saw to set up a YouTube channel. Some people will do it for that. $10 for the custom banner. You could offer to create an intro for their videos. Well, you don't have to do it yourself. Just outsource that to someone on Fiverr, and people will do that for $5. You could do, if you do know something about YouTube, you could do a short consultation with them to get them started, right? Like maybe 30 minutes that you just meet with them. But that offers that one-on-one personal touch, and people like that, and they tend to purchase when they trust someone. And then, of course, you're going to drive traffic to the offer. I wanted to mention before I show you what I use for traffic is that Matt does have a really good affiliate page right here. Okay, again, you get 50% of the sale. And what he recommends is that you replace your affiliate ID right here where it says affiliate. You put yours in there, like mine is six-figure success. I would put that in there, but you would leave the campaign key there, using this as your link. And then he goes over how to promote free YouTube traffic. Using free YouTube traffic is the best way that you can promote this program. Simply make a review video, testimonial, talk about the course, and post your video to YouTube. I'm going to recommend something different to you. Then he's also saying to use the keyword Matt Parr because it's searched 68,000 times. So you would use that in your title. He said that they're getting really great results with Instagram shout-outs and ads, and he actually gives you the ad and exactly what to say. He does have resources for YouTube ads. I wouldn't recommend doing this if you're brand new, because you can go through a lot of money and maybe not get a sale if you don't know what you're doing with YouTube ads. He doesn't teach you how to do that. He just gives you the resources to do that, as well as Facebook ads. And then he has student testimonials and results that you can use in your marketing, branding images. And then if you get 100 people together for a live webinar, he will do it just for you. But what I want to talk about, which is what I've had the most success with, is having a YouTube channel. Now, you don't have to show your face, but I do want to tell you that sometimes you have to get uncomfortable. And it was uncomfortable for me, but you just get better at it the more you do it. And it's definitely worth it to make this kind of money. You want to create videos around keywords that people are already searching for. And with this type of product, it would be the make money online niche or make money from home niche. And just a couple examples of some keywords that you might use in your YouTube videos is how to make money on YouTube without making videos, and how to make money on YouTube by posting videos. If we go to YouTube, which is the second largest search engine under Google, you can use just these keywords, or you can add to that and go through what's called the alphabet method. So you can just put like an A and a B, C, to get long tail keywords. But let's just say where we're going to go after this keyword, how to make money on YouTube by posting videos. Just search that, and then you can see what comes up here. And I would take maybe these top 4 or 5 videos here just copy down the URLs, put them in a Word document, and I would go through those videos. You can put them on 2 times the speed to go through them a little bit faster, but just see what they're talking about. Don't copy it, but just come up with your own version of what they're talking about, and then make your own YouTube video. Then you would have a call to action where you said, if you want to learn more on how to make money on YouTube, I have this free masterclass. And then you could have a call to action and then just talk through what exactly they would learn on this free masterclass, and then invite people to register for it. But rather than having a link right to this, I would have a link to your lead capture page. And then when they click here, you'll capture their lead, but they'll also then get directed to this masterclass webinar. And then again, they'll get your email follow-ups after that. So I would just create as many videos as you can around this topic of making money on YouTube. You just have one channel about simply YouTube. Here's an example of a YouTube channel just based around YouTube. Smart Video Tactics. You can take a look at this channel, and he does tips on making money on YouTube, and that's all he talks about. So you could have a channel similar to this, where you have in the description of your video a link to your lead capture page, which then takes people to Matt's webinar. And if you absolutely do not want to start a YouTube channel, which you easily could do, and again, you don't have to show your face, you could just do screen capture like this and not ever show your face, then I would say start a review blog. Now, both of these strategies are long-term, but it will definitely pay off. The more content you get out there, the more people will find you, the more sales you'll make. And I know in the beginning, it seemed like forever before I made a sale. And then after a while, you have so much content out there that people find you and they buy from you and they never speak with you, which is really great. So you could start a review blog. You could do internet marketing products, MLM reviews. You could also do affiliate marketing program reviews, especially brand new ones that come out. I've made the most money when I've done product reviews on affiliate programs that just came out, and I ranked #1 in YouTube. And so just an example, though, of course you can do this on YouTube, just have a YouTube channel just about reviews, because people want to find out more about a product before they actually purchase it. And then if you offer a good review and good bonuses, then they'll most likely buy from you. I'm going to give you an example of a review blog. That's Jesse Singh. So if we go over to his blog, jessesingh.org, you can see that he has done literally hundreds of product reviews, and that's how people find him. They like him because he gives an honest review, and then a lot of people end up joining whatever it is that he's promoting. So you can take a look at his blog. He also has a YouTube channel where he does reviews. So to get ideas of what you might review, you could go to someone's channel like Jesse's and see what he reviews, and you could sort by most popular and see what kind of things come up. But actually something better to do is install something called vidIQ, which is a free Google Chrome extension, and then you can click on this where it says trending, and you can see what's really getting a lot of views right now. And this Mirror Trading International looks like it's getting a lot of views. In the last 7 days, it's gotten 5,000 views. In the last 5 days, he's got over almost 4,000 views. So I would say, you can come to channels like this and see what's trending and do a review on it on your channel. And that will attract people who are wanting to make money online, people who are already in the affiliate marketing industry, and then they may be interested in purchasing Matt's program, which a lot of people are, because they're always looking for other ways to make money besides what it is they're already doing. And this particular product shows people how to make money on YouTube without showing their face, which is very appealing to a lot of people because they don't want to get onto camera. So just to recap, you would create a lead capture page with email follow-ups. If you can, create a bridge page with bonuses, then drive traffic either through YouTube or a blog or both, and then direct people to your lead capture page, which then directs people to the webinar. You drive enough traffic to that targeted traffic, you are very likely to get some sales. So I hope you go out there and take this method and make some really good money and make your life better. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, how to post videos on YouTube and make money, where I interview a good friend of mine who makes over $7,000 per month on YouTube just with ad revenue alone. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.